In this video, we'll walk through the key concepts needed to automate your customer engagement with virtual scale. We'll start with a simple employee managing phone calls and WhatsApp messages. We will also configure automated follow-ups for this employee depending on the outcome of an interaction. This will just showcase a simple example of what you can achieve with virtual scale in a couple of minutes. Then you can apply this to create your own employees to handle your customer interactions. First, let's walk on how the virtual scale platform works. In the virtual scale platform, AI employees or agents belong to a team. These teams can have multiple AI employees with different tasks. For example, you can have a sales team with two employees, one managing phone calls and the other managing WhatsApp messages and Instagram DMs. To connect a channel on the platform, you'll have to connect it to a team. Then the team will route the channel to an employee. So this way you can connect your Instagram page, your WhatsApp, and a phone number with a team, and the team will route the channel to an employee with access to that channel. When an employee is done with an interaction, it will categorize the interaction selecting an outcome you previously stated, and it will create a summary of the interaction. Then you can use this category to filter out desired outcomes and have a quick recap of the whole conversation. Now that you know the basics, let's get on with the platform. On the left side of the screen, we have all the menus. To view what each menu does, you can click the question icon on the top right of the screen. Now let's create our first AI team. Let's go to the Teams and Employees section on the middle left and hit Create a Team. To create a team, we will have to input a name and description. Then on the Team menu, we have other panels like Categories and Follow-ups. In Categories, we can insert the categories that will be used to categorize interactions when they end. These categories are shared by the team, and the team will only have access to the categories you select here. In the follow-ups, you can configure automated follow-ups depending on the outcome of an interaction. For example, you can set up a trigger. So if any interaction falls under the selected category, you can automatically schedule a follow-up call or message. Now, let's create the team and build our first AI employee. For the employee, we will have to input its name, the team it belongs to, and the start phrases. These are the phrases your employee will first say when starting the conversation. Then we can configure the main instruction. For this tutorial, we will use the instruction preset. Then we select a voice. Next, the knowledge bases. A knowledge base is a document containing all the information about your business. There are two types of knowledge, the quick access knowledge and the large knowledge. Here we will use the quick access knowledge. You can input it manually or retrieve it from your website. Then the conversation flows. A conversation flow is where you can model how you want conversations to go. Think of it as a script your employee will follow. To get started with conversation flows, watch the video on the top right. Then we will select the channels we want our employee to use, and now go to the review section. Here we have an overview of our employee, and we'll just hit submit. Now we have created our first team, with an employee capable of managing all the channels. To connect a channel with this team, we'll go to the Channel Manager section. In this case, we will connect a phone number. So our employee manages calls. Just hit By Phone Number or import yours from Twilio, and then select the team you want to connect the phone number to. Your AI employee is now capable of handling phone calls. You've now got the key concepts, but we've just scratched the surface of what is possible with virtual scale. If you have any questions, we'll see you over our Discord community, where the virtual scale team will be ready to help you.